In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell templates and photos on Gumroad. First, let's start by setting up your Gumroad account. Head over to gumroad.com and create your account if you haven't already. It's an easy process, but remember to keep your login details secure, as you'll be using this platform to manage your sales and earnings. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Products section. This is where you'll manage everything related to what you're selling. Once you're there, click on the New Product button. You'll be given a choice of product types. Choose Digital Product. This is ideal for selling templates and photos because it allows you to deliver your files instantly to your customers once they've made a purchase. Now, it's time to set the price for your product. Think carefully about this. Consider your competitors' pricing, the time and effort you've invested, and the value you're offering to your buyers. You can always adjust this later if you need to. Next, give your product a compelling name and description. An engaging and informative product description is crucial. Let potential buyers know what they can achieve with your templates or photos, and highlight any unique features or uses that make your product stand out. This step can be the deciding factor for buyers, so invest some time in writing a description that truly captures the essence of your product. The next step involves uploading your files, whether it's a PSD, Canva, Notion, or Excel template, or perhaps a collection of photos in JPG or PNG format. Make sure they're ready to go. You can also use a zip folder if you have multiple files related to one product. Remember that organizing your files logically will help your customers access and use them without hassle. After you've uploaded your files, it's time to customize your product page. Gumroad offers various customization options. Take advantage of these to style your page in a way that best represents your brand and product. You can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to make sure everything is consistent and professional. When you're satisfied with how your product page looks, click on Save and Continue. This ensures that everything you've set up is stored securely, and you're almost ready to go live. Take a moment to review your product details. If everything looks good and you're happy with it, go ahead and click the Publish button. Now, your product is live and available for the world to buy. Finally, don't let your product sit idle. Promote it. Share your product link on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Pin it to Pinterest. Write about it on your blog. Include it in your email list, and engage in design communities. The more exposure your product gets, the better the chance of making a sale. And that's it. You've successfully set up and listed your digital product on Gumroad. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you take your first steps into selling on Gumroad. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might benefit. Happy selling!